Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling the essential parts: a Kai transmitter board, a 5V/2A USB source, and a wound copper coil. Start winding immediately. Make 10 to 12 turns at about 50 mm diameter so coupling is strong. Once done, trim and tin the coil leads and solder to the transmitter pad labeled TX and GND. Ensure solid joints. Make sure to mount the ferrite sheet behind the coil to focus the field and reduce losses. This improves charging efficiency right away. Now you mount the transmitter and wire the coil carefully. Solder coil leads to the pads marked for the transmitter and secure connections with hot glue so nothing shifts. If your module requires an external resonant capacitor, install it next. Observe polarity and value to tune to the Kai frequency. Once wired, center the coil on a non-conductive base and route the USB cable to the module. You want a tidy layout so the device sits flat and alignment with the phone is repeatable. Finally, power the module with a 5V USB supply and watch the indicator LED while measuring output current. This confirms the transmitter is active. Place the phone centered over the coil. Make sure the phone's receiver aligns with your coil. Charging should start within seconds. If it does not, check coil continuity with a multimeter, inspect solder joints for cold joints, and reposition the ferrite or coil for better alignment. These steps usually fix common failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.